What up, everybody? Back in the garage. We are gonna have a special guest coming up right now. Oh, can you hear that? What is that? Something special in the Toy Box Garage today. We got something a little bit different. Let's see what we got different today. What's going on out here? Oh, look at that. It's another YouTuber. It's the homie Shakeem. What's good, Keem?
What's going on, man?
Yeah, I'm chilling. So today we're out here to make a video.
Right.
We're gonna do a review of my computer setup, my gaming rigs, even though I've never used them for gaming. Lame. But that's what we're doing. So invited him over to the Toy Box Garage to have a look around and make a quick little video.
We'll check it out, see what he got. You know, he might blow my mindself out the water, but hey.
So if you don't know Shakeem, explain this to the camera.
All right, so my main channel for vlogs and everything is Shakeem, S-H-A-K-E-M.
Right here.
If you're into any gaming stuff, it's Keeper Geek.
Okay, that's over here.
Hey, there we go.
So go like those. Go subscribe. He's a good guy. He does a wicked vlog.
Got some good content. So.
All right. Look at this.
That's crazy.
Would you see? Isn't this a clown car if you've ever seen one, bro?
Crazy.
I can fit
a lot of headroom though.
Dude, I can sit in the back seat behind it, this seat with it all the way back and still have plenty of leg room.
This thing is actually an illusion because it's very small from the outside and you get in here. I almost feel like I'm in the element and the element is way bigger than me. That's crazy.
It's huge, right?
What's cool about it, because the wristies fold down flat?
Yeah.
Because now you can probably put anything you want in here.
Oh yeah, dude. You can haul and tow stuff. Like right now I have it set up for the dogs back here. There's a little dog mobile, but
Dog I did.
But yeah, you can fold it down. Well, and the other thing is I have my box in here, which, you know, takes up the whole damn room, so.
Oh man, what is this? I'm
It's just a couple 12s. No, I'm gonna have to hook you up, bro. So this is just a couple Polk Audio DB Series 12s.
Okay.
I have it running on a 2,000 watt Pioneer amp, so it's not like competition or anything, but it sounds good. Let me give you a little demo.
Oh man.
Hang on, let me get my keys.
Hardware stuff, you know, everything. He does it all. And I'm gonna put a link to his channel too, so you guys can check out his stuff. That's crazy. That's crazy. Dang. Just imagine in summertime it's bumping.
Oh yeah. So the next thing that's gonna happen I just got airbags for it. Custom airbags specifically made for this car.
Oh, so these are
Randoed Struts. If you've never heard of Randoed, he's on Facebook, and when this car first came out, he was the first person in the country to like do all kind of crazy stuff and start fabricating stuff like this for it. So these bags were custom made for this vehicle by him. Wow. I just got them actually like a week ago, so I'm super excited. So now I have a air management system on order. Then we're gonna gut this thing. I'm gonna put the airbags on it, and then I'm gonna do a custom audio system. This one's just sort of a generic right now, but then this is gonna be just a show car. It's gonna be all slow, no go.
Great. Well, I can't wait to see where it kind of ends up.
It's gonna be a long video series. We'll just say that.
So you will make a video on this on your channel?
Oh yeah. No,
okay.
I've got a few videos on it so far, smaller things that I've done. But yeah, there's gonna be a long video series on it once I start gutting the suspension and gutting the interior, because I'm gonna take everything out of the interior and run full sky-high audio wiring and all that good stuff. So.
Okay. So make sure you check out his channel for that. Like I said, he does it all. So. Yeah, no matter.
Look at this vlogception. This man over here talking me up when you got the better vlog. Now let me show him the Civic, because look at this thing. Is this not pretty? Look at that fitment though. All that fitment though.
Yeah, a little work in progress. I mean, she's come a long way.
Oh yeah.
Definitely. I still got a lot. There's a lot I have in store for this. So this car is not going to be a show car. This car is not going to be too pretty. It's going to be fun and fast.
Good.
So
we like that.
I have some stuff I haven't told no one on my channel yet, so no one knows yet. But we got some stuff coming for this thing.
Good. All the more reason for people to go and like and subscribe.
Yes, sir.
But look at that. That's so pretty. I love those wheels too.
Thank you. Yeah, 225, 45, 17. So I went with 17 because I like how 17s look on this car. Everyone does 18s, but
yeah,
I know it's a blob car, so the bigger wheels does kind of fit it. But I like the more tire, small rim.
Yeah.
Style. It's like almost like a toge style.
Yeah, yeah.
So that's what I was going with.
And that fat ass though.
Rear lip coming soon.
Good.
So pretty much that front lip I have the HPD style, so I'm gonna have the side skirts and the matching rear.
So
lip.
full aero.
Yeah.
Sweet.
They're coming soon.
What are you lowered on?
I'm on teens, so I'm on the same thing as your guy over there.
Oh,
they're,
good.
Flex Z's, so they're camber, caster,
Oh,
front
dope.
adjustable. And in the rear, they're adjustable too, but for the camber, I have to get camber arms to
Okay.
adjust the camber. Yeah, this is my little baby.
She pretty.
As James would know, there's not too many JDM cars out here. Kind of domestics take over New Mexico. So
No thanks. I'm good.
All right. So yeah, sprinkle a little Honda magic out here. Not too many Hondas out here.
Here at the ToyBoxGarage, we're all about Japanese cars.
Oh yeah.
Fuck their ass.
You see it.
Look, that's not even my car. I'm just working on that one and it's Japanese, so we're good. All right, thank you guys for tuning in and watch. Like I said, go subscribe to both of his channels, and if you haven't already subscribed to mine, go ahead and do that now. So today I borrowed Charles' trailer. My neighbor Charles, the homie, and you can see back there, I got the trailer hooked up already. We're gonna go pick up another car for the ToyBoxGarage. What else is new? That seems to be the trend lately. We go and we pick up cars and we bring them back here and we get rid of them, and that's what we do. Today is no different. We're gonna go pick up a Buick, an 08 Buick Enclave. It's got minor problems, so I'm gonna put some work into it and we're gonna sell it to somebody who needs a car for a decent price. Aside from that, I have to stop at my wife's work and install a faucet on one of their sinks for them. And that should be it for the out and about projects for the day. Also, we've got the box coming up. The XB is coming up. I'm ordering parts as we speak, and we'll be ordering more parts after I sell the Enclave. After all those parts arrive, then we will be starting the Xbox series. It'll be many videos because there's so many mods I want to do. And I've been getting help from my friends on Facebook. Shout out to the Ryans. They been helping me with mod ideas and sending me links of where to get stuff to do these mods. But the XB will be a modern vehicle when I'm done with this video series, and it'll be a show vehicle, and it's going to be awesome, and it's a great way to stay in shape. So you need to keep coming back. You're going to want to see this, because if you have an XB, you're going to want to do some of these mods. If you don't have an XB, you're gonna maybe want to do some of these mods on your own car, and they're cool mods, so you want to watch this. Anyway, all right, we're gonna head over and pick up the Buick right now, so let's go. It's one of those kind of mornings. This week keeps taking me back like my ex does. Seriously though, jokes aside, how you doing? You straight? She said, no, am I? She said, are you drunk? I said, no, am I? You checking out the gig? She said, so am I. OMG, like the gas in the tank, she's getting low on me. The candle, I'll go out if you blow on me. Say peace to me, me and this chick take off like a sick day. Demo, getting head in the bucket. No smell of but if you're a hoe, I'll be sitting. I am coming, you're going. Alrighty. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Just look at all. Would you look at that? Would you just look at this? Alright, I gotta do some backing up. Hold on. So here it is. Here's the Buick. This is what's coming home with us today. So we got parts on order for her, new tires included, but she's in great shape. It's a beautiful car. So we will see and get a more in-depth look when we get home. But look, it's Drew. Hey Drew. Seems like every time we get together, it's over cars.
Take a picture of that one if someone wants that one, because it's going this week.
Oh, it's going for sale too, huh? We might have to buy this too.
Well.
All right, she's loaded. What do you think of this? What do you think of all of this? So from this angle, she ain't bad. She ain't bad looking at all. She's beautiful. It's only when you come over here and see this that she's bad. So we got a new headlight on order. We got this piece of the bumper, which holds the lower piece to the top piece, holds them together. So we got that on order. I may have to order a replacement upper bumper piece, but I'm gonna see when I get home if I can straighten that out. There's a little, this fascia, oh, I might actually have to order that because it's kind of ugly. But it didn't break the fog lights. Fog lights look good, but yeah, it did crack the fascia right here. This thing just got scraped, no biggie there. The fender, she's crumpled, so she's gonna have to go. So we'll get a new one of those. And under the hood, because of how this is all shaped, the bumper pushed into the radiator neck and broke the radiator. So that's that. Ooh. Well, I loaded it a little crooked, you say? That's all right. But yeah, this one is gonna go to a new home. Not sure who yet, but I have a few people in mind who need good, reliable running cars. And normally I'm not a fan of American vehicles, GM in particular, but I know the people who own this its entire life. They drove it well, care of it well, and as you can see, it's in really, really good shape. Really good condition, but look at this. Beautiful. So somebody's gonna get a nice, reliable car. Okay. I know it looks ugly and I know it's sagging a bit, but I think the truck can handle this. So let's go. Let's see. Who says that little Toyotas can't handle big loads? Look at this. Look at this. Would you look at this? I'm hauling a car that's about the size of the Toyota, if not maybe a little bit bigger and heavier, definitely heavier than my truck. But she's doing just fine. Look. Look at that. She's doing just fine. Just fine. I mean, I'm taking it a little slower than normal because, you know, just to be safe, for safety's sake. But I also have Drew, I can't see him, but he's following behind me in the diesel in case we need it. But that's just a safety measure also. I figured I'll take it slow. I don't care who's behind me or who wants to pass me. They can do whatever they want to do. I'm gonna be safe and drive slow and get this truck home, no problem. So here we go. All right, well, we're on the home stretch. She did just fine. I had to go a little bit slower. The truck could have gone faster. It could have gone regular speeds, but you know, out of, like I said, an abundance of caution, I took it a little bit slower than usual. So we're just pulling up to the house now. I'm gonna unload her and then gotta go to Sarah's work and replace the faucet, and then it's a great way to stay in shape. So she's home, trailer's unloaded. Look at that. Look at, oh, that's my car. Look at that. Look at that. All right, so not too shabby. Now, there will be a small video series, maybe 1 or 2 videos on the Buick, and until she gets to her new home. But yeah, that's that. It's gonna be all simple stuff for the most part. So the series won't be too long, but I'm glad to have the opportunity to buy her. And it's like I was telling my buddy who I bought it from, he said, I don't want you to break even. I want you to make something on this car. And I said, you know what? I appreciate that, but if I can help somebody get into a car at a reasonable cost and I break even, you know, no biggie. As long as I'm not losing on it, I'm okay with that. If I have to help somebody and lose a little bit, even in that is okay. If it's somebody that I'm okay with helping, you know, somebody who's helped me or somebody who deserves it or needs it, sure. But at worst case scenario, if I break even, then what I've done is I've volunteered some of my time to put some parts on this car and fix it up for somebody so that they could get a decent, reliable running vehicle at a good price. And then at that point, them and their family is able to get around again. So there's nothing wrong with that. But yeah, so the Buick adventure, let that begin. And soon the XB adventure will begin. And I'm freaking excited for that because that is for me. That's not for anybody but me. Well, and Sarah, because she'll drive it too. But we're leaving the house again right now. We're headed to Sarah's work. And when I get there, I'm going to swap out this faucet real quick for them. And then it'll be lunchtime. So I'll get back to you after lunch. Sit tight. We're here. Rio I Care. Vision Source Rio. Yeah. All right. So here she is in her full glory. Let's take a tour, shall we? Got a little crack in the reverse light right there. No biggie. That one's also sort of cracked. Must be the design of the housing. Oh, look at that. It's got a power lift gate. That's pretty cool. I didn't know that. Back here we have a net. I think all of this should be the spare tire. Oh, that's what was beeping. This is the reverse for the parking sensors on the back. Interesting. We've got a power socket back here. This is our third row seating right here. Flips down, and then you've got more cargo space. And you got 2 captain's chairs, and then the 2 front chairs. Okay. So this car did have a key fob, but apparently their daughter lost it. So no key fob. Cool. Come over here. Unlock. Let's get in and see what's going on in here. All right. So look at this. I want you to just see. Let me start it. That thing fired up that quickly and easily with a dead battery and a broken radiator. And we've got a backup cam. Kind of hard to see on the screen there with the glare. There we go, see? Got a working clock. Got 170,000 miles on it. All the heating, AC, cooling stuff works. We've got heated seats here, wipers, the rear hatch, towing. We've got storage with a power socket, another power socket. We've got a sliding console here, rear HVAC controls, cool, and radio controls apparently. Look at that. Okay, let's see. New Carhartt seat covers for these front seats. Got a moonroof. Got built-in garage door programming. We've got lighting. Oh, got a broken cover to this mirror. No biggie. Kind of sucks though. I bet you that controls these. That one works. Oh, I bet you it's a switch behind here that when it's pushed, these lights turn on. Interesting. Okay, then we got lighting up here. Let me zoom out a little bit here. We'll have another video next week, so stay tuned, and I'll see you then. Master of None signing out of the Toy Box Garage.
Adios.